nothing is better in the cold winter months than a warm loaf of bread.
We're mad excited
Yes.
for this. Yes, here to teach us how to make the perfect traditional soda bread. It is the one, the only Catherine.
Here we
Leyden.
are, yep.
Good morning, Catherine.
Good morning.
See, I've had people stopping you in the street saying,
Twice last week, I couldn't believe it.
will you come on and make a nice soda bread?
Ordinary white soda bread. I have great memories of it.
Brilliant.
And then it reminds me of my own memories. Alan, can you take out the loaf we've in the
go on,
oven?
get out there, get working.
Because when the bread is baked, you turn it out upside down onto a tea towel.
Look
Now you
at
can
that.
wait the tea. Oh, now Alan,
there
turn
you
it
go.
over.
Oh, turn it over.
Yeah, onto
You're
that.
working now.
I just don't want to burn the hands out myself.
Oh,
There we go.
Now,
Right.
it's baked when you tap it, and it has a hollow sound. That's how you know your bread
Hollow
is baked.
sound.
Hollow
So
sound.
do you have to keep taking it out and doing that and putting it back then? If
Well,
it's...
put it back into the hollow sound, but you know
Right.
if it's a nice
Okay.
golden brown colour as that is there, okay?
Yeah,
sure.
Upside down in a clean, dry tea towel, or if your oven is a bit on the hot side, moisten the tea towel first of all, and that's to soften the crust. Now, by turning it upside down, the heat in the form of steam is coming out through the top, which is the
Say
bottom.
you like a nice crusty
Oh, then you don't
top.
have to do that at all. But the problem with that then, Alan, is if the crust is too hard, the fresh bread would break as you're trying to cut it.
Get
okay?
crumbly.
Correct.
Yeah, exactly.
Now,
No.
to make it, 1 pound, 450 grams of self-raising flour. To that, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, and I'm going to add 2 dessert spoonfuls of sugar. Now, if you want it plain, don't add the sugar, but you won't get that nice golden brown colour. The sugar helps to give you that nice
What do you mean if you
golden-
want it plain?
With no sugar.
With no sugar.
Okay.
This one is like quite sweet. That one is quite sweet.
Yeah, but this is how you make it, though.
That's right, yeah. But if you want to have it with cheese, say,
Yeah.
you don't want to
sugar in it.
All right,
leave the
okay.
sugar out,
Okay.
but it won't be as brown as that, okay? Now, to that, I'm going to add a level even though we're using self-raising flour, we're using a level teaspoonful of baking powder.
Right.
We put that in. And now we just mix those ingredients together. Now, it does help if you sieve the flour as I did before I started. Now, into that, we're going to add just 2 ounces, 50 grams of butter at...
Room temperature.
Well done, oh,
yes.
lads, you're learning.
There you go.
Now,
Perfect.
just use the tips of your fingers to rub the butter through.
Right.
And of course, the softer it is, the quicker you'll get this done.
There's not that much butter in that, you know. I
No,
would have
2
thought,
ounces
no.
just. Yeah, just a small amount,
Everything
50
else
grams.
that when it comes to bacon, it's mountains of butter goes into it.
Well, a lot of for Madeira cakes and sponge cakes
Yeah.
and things, yeah. But not for
Bread.
for bread or scones. Same with scones.
So it's actually quite simple to do then,
Very
Catherine.
simple to do. Just rub the mixture through until it resembles what we call fine breadcrumbs.
Oh, yes.
Now, tips of your fingers lift. Even though we've sieved the flour in, we're going to get
How
or
many
incorporate
times have you done that,
as much.
Catherine?
Oh, I've done it thousands of times. Now, here I have 300 mils of sweet milk or fresh milk, and to that I'm going to add my beaten egg.
Okay.
Now, as we've said before, umpteen times, gradually add your milk, because if you put too
You
much
don't want
in,
to
you
do
can't
too
take
wet.
it out.
Yeah,
Exactly, yeah. So just combine the egg
You
and
always
the
do
milk.
this with a knife, don't you?
Knife for the pastry, usually. No,
Yeah, pastry knife.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we'll just put...
That's not very gradually, Catherine.
Ah, yeah, but there's still, she knows there's
You
still
know,
a
I
bit more.
suppose you know exactly
Well,
what
I've
you're
done it
doing,
so often now,
yeah,
Tommy.
Exactly.
I
But can
really
I
do it.
lump it all in like that, or just...
No, that's
You'd be better off to just like in a third and a third and a third,
No,
maybe?
yeah, about 2/3 and a third.
Okay, okay.
Because really it doesn't... You have a fair idea.
You'd have an idea. You've got the right
Now,
measurement there.
Yeah. Now that should do it. A little bit left over. And you mix it. You have this mixture a little on the sticky side. That's important. Now don't have it too dry, because if it's too dry, you'll have dry bread afterwards.
What's
there we
dry
have
bread?
Hard bread.
Oh, right,
Dry.
okay.
Now, like it does with some flour, we take our spatula, scoop all our mixture out. Now I have a little tip at this stage to help rise your bread quickly.
Oh, love the tips. Right,
Yep.
go on. What have you got
Dust
for
your
us?
tin. Now use a deep tin if you want bread suitable for sandwiches. Dust it with flour into the oven, and you heat the tin just ever so slightly while you're kneading the dough.
And
All
does
right.
that give it a bit crustier or something at the bottom?
Gives you
or
a bigger
something?
lift.
Bigger lift?
Yeah, if you put it into the heated tin. Yep. And the oven is set at 400 Fahrenheit,
Yeah.
200 centigrade, gas mark 6. Now that's roughly the consistency. See, it's quite sticky.
Yeah. But you need to put a bit of flour on this now, do you?
A little bit of flour on the board of the table, yeah? And then a little bit of flour in my hands. And what we do is we gently knead, now not like yeast baking, we're going to just gently bring the dough together to remove the cracks and to introduce air, so don't punch the daylights out of your poor bread. You with me?
Yeah.
And there we have it.
Look at that.
Nice smooth top on it.
That's dead easy, isn't it?
Cinch.
I always say this. I always say I must make that.
You should
I never
make it.
do, I know.
Make bread.
Yeah,
Tin
I know,
hot.
'cause
Tin hot.
I spend a fortune on bread.
Into this.
Forever eating
And
bread.
I'm always throwing bread out. Never finish it.
yeah.
Because
Roll it
Carl,
around in the
Carl
tin.
doesn't really eat
Now you
bread.
could put that, lads, on a flat sheet.
Right.
But if you do, it'll spread a bit.
Do you put the
And you-
little cut across in
You
it?
do that
a
now,
little-
yeah. Press it out. Now, even already the tin is quite hot. Is
it?
Put a cross in the top, cross that way, and across this way.
Don't put the, carefully your hands now.
Don't burn the hands off myself. Now, into the preheated
And is that
oven.
releasing the fairies or something they say?
That's what they tell us, yep.
Yeah.
You've heard that, Tommy.
That's what it is.
Now,
The Irish,
Releasing the fairies.
but the Irish
Tommy.
soda
Oh, yeah.
bread, that's the saying, isn't it? You
That's
cut
the
it up
saying.
in
How long does that go in for?
45 minutes.
Okay. At 200 degrees.
400 Fahrenheit, 200 centigrade, gas mark
Okay,
6.
there we
Come on,
go.
here
Lovely
we go.
bit of
Now-
hot bread.
Hot
Tommy.
bread. And can I tell you a story?
Oh, go on.
Right.
Tell us the
Minute.
story.
Yeah.
Yeah, go
When
on.
I was growing up, and Mama used to make the soda bread.
Yeah.
We wanted it as soon as it came out of the oven, like you guys do
Yeah.
now.
Put it in the middle.
But Mama used to say that it'll get glue in your stomach if you eat it while it's hot. So to speed up the cooling, she used to wrap it in the tea towel and put it outside the kitchen window
All
to
right.
cool it that bit quicker.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Come on,
You're making an
told me
absolute
to, like-
mess of it.
have you got a slice out of it?
He's making a hangover cure, according to one of our messages. Because what is
to
that?
be in the thing
what?
a bit longer.
Look at the size.
In the tea towel.
No, that's perfect.
Is that perfect?
Yeah,
Is
the
it?
slice of bread.
There you go.
So,
That's a
like,
big
a
slice
doorstep.
of bread for you.
A doorstep.
Just people sort of saying, oh, don't
Would
eat
you
it
like
when it's
somewhere?
hot
They all
because
say that,
it's a
yes,
bit
sir.
gluey. And
Indigestion, yeah.
Oh,
But we
God,
love
we'll all
it.
have
Now, what's the
indigestion.
butter
now.
melting there on that, Tommy?
Look at that.
Oh, there's a thinner one for you now.
As you
There
do,
go.
see that doorstep there? Michael got in contact about a hangover cure. See what you think about this, Catherine.
Tell me.
The best thing to
something more
do
in
when
there.
you're going on a session is drink responsibly, everybody, obviously.
Of course, yeah.
But is to eat 2 or 3 doorstep
Oh, there's a
red
doorstep.
cheddar sandwiches made with plain batch loaf or turnover, cut to desired thickness. You're only man. You can drink all night. Please drink responsibly. Don't even feel drunk and definitely have no hangover
Hangover
the
in the
next
morning.
day. Whopper. What do you make of that?
Brilliant.
So a
Love
big
it.
cheese toasty type of thing.
He says it's doorstep.
doorstopper.
Catherine,
Right.
Catherine, do
Yeah,
you have a
that's-
cure?
No.
No.
You don't.
No, take to the bed.
Take to the bed.
Take a duvet
You're
day.
not wrong.
Captain
Nothing
Leyden's
else
hangover
for
cure.
it.
Take to the bed. I love it.
Dead right. Edward goes for a sea swim. Jumps in a few times.
wow.
The waves will cure it.
Well, would you like some jam?
All about electrolytes. Yeah, do sure. There's loads of things. Thank you so much for sending in all of your messages today.
Catherine, thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Catherine.